If you're seeing the Facebook error page not found message, don't worry. This is usually a simple issue that can be fixed in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you a quick step-by-step method to help you troubleshoot the problem, refresh Facebook properly, and get back to browsing without the error. If this tutorial helps you, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. First, the simplest fix is to refresh the page. Sometimes Facebook pages fail to load correctly because of a temporary glitch, an expired session, or a small loading issue in your browser. So go ahead and refresh the page once or twice and see if the error disappears. If that does not work, the next thing you should do is clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, your browser stores old data that can interfere with loading websites properly. If Facebook is showing a page not found error, that saved data may be causing the problem. Open your browser settings, find the Privacy or History section, and clear the cache and cookies. After that, close the browser completely and reopen Facebook again. Another important step is to check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can stop Facebook from loading the page correctly, which may trigger the page not found message. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data, restarting your router, or testing another website to make sure your internet is working normally. If you're still seeing the error after that, try opening Facebook in a different browser or on a different device. This helps you figure out whether the issue is with Facebook itself, your browser, or your device settings. In many cases, just switching browsers can solve the problem right away. You can also try logging out of Facebook and logging back in. Sometimes your session gets stuck, and a fresh login can reload everything correctly. If the link you are trying to open is old or incorrect, it may also lead to a page not found error, so double-check the URL as well. So to quickly recap, refresh the page, clear your browser cache and cookies, and make sure your internet connection is stable. Those simple steps solve most Facebook page not found errors. If you want more easy tutorials like this, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.